Kontakt Super 10 Spray to refresh your electrical contacts. Kontakt Chemie has created a unique combination of a highly concentrated cleaner and a mechanical lubricant. They combined two important steps in the maintenance of electrical contacts into one product, Kontakt Super 10. The portfolio of Kontakt Chemie, a global manufacturer of specialized chemicals for all industrial segments, includes top products for the cleaning and maintenance of electrical contacts. The result is extended service life, better electrical contact, and overall trouble-free operation of the equipment. Their product portfolio has been relatively stable and without significant changes in contact cleaners for many years. The best known and most popular are definitely these three products: Kontakt 60, Kontakt WL, and Kontakt 61. These products are typical for contact maintenance in three steps: deoxidation, cleaning, washing, and protection, lubrication. They are being sold separately, but also in a convenient set such as Kontakt Trio Set 60WL61. In general, these three products are ideal, though not always necessary, procedure. Not always, because the electrical contacts are often not oxidized. For contacts that are used in dry conditions, we can omit the application of the first step with Kontakt 60 and simplify the entire procedure into a single step, says Martin Brestovic, product specialist at SOS Electronic. A very attractive alternative is now available for these cases: the new Kontakt Super 10. It is a high-performance spray that provides cleaning, degreasing, mechanical lubrication, and corrosion protection in just one step. Suitable applications: Kontakt Super 10 can be used for treatment of all types of contacts, including sliding contacts, switches and relays, potentiometers, various connectors, audio connectors, and other sensitive components with weak signal transmission, repair and maintenance of audio equipment, mixers, electric guitars, etc. Kontakt Super 10 features: removes grease, tarnish, and other contamination from contact surfaces and leaves a protective lubricating film. Cuts voltage drop between contacts by increasing the surface area and reducing resistance. The residual film resists drying and the attraction of dust. Eliminates contact bounce and prevents the damage which can be caused by arcing between contacts. Improves the current flow and protects against friction, abrasion damage. Cleaning and lubricating spray Kontakt Super 10 is an excellent product for the treatment of all types of electrical contacts. It is currently available in 200 ml package and is immediately available directly from our stock. If you are interested in more information about Kontakt Chemie products or technical advice on product selection, do not hesitate to contact us at sales@soselectronic.com.